Hi guys, I have a fun morning for us. I remembered the other day that I had a bin of 80s, kind of like Christmassy winter, that I had set aside in the bunkie and totally forgot about it. So instead of going thrifting today, we're gonna have a cozy home day, opening up a bin of vintage 80s. A bit ago, before the shop closed, a woman had come in and given me a bin of 80s clothing, and after the shop closed, I tucked it away in the bunkie and kind of forgot about it. And I woke up this morning remembering I have what might be a fantastic haul of 80s to go through. I don't think it's my size at all. She was a bit bigger than me and she is quite tall. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to do a try on, but if I can try anything on, I'll just like insert it into the video here as we go. So let's get into it and see, hey Maggie, see what is in here. I did have a peek through it, but I haven't gone through it like really well. And that was a long time ago. So it's kind of like, woo, bonus Christmas. And we'll see, most of this will be coming to my Etsy shop. My Etsy shop is called Kulta Vintage, K-U-L-T-A. It's the Finnish word for gold. A lot of you are asking what my vintage shop was. And some of you are linking your shops on Etsy below as well. And I'd love to hear from you if you're a reseller as well, and to know what your shop is. Okay, let's get in here and see if there's anything good. The first thing that was so good, hi Wendy. The first thing that was so good was this crinoline petticoat, which I didn't have. And I think it's gonna come in handy for shooting. Putting it on and then laying the dresses over top to sort of show them at their full potential. So I might do like a pile of good and not so good. I'm not really sure. I don't have a plan quite yet. We have a pair of shoes. These don't look 80s to me. These look, I don't know, a little more 60s, 70s. Those are kind of fun. And okay, let's do shoes and bags first because they're on the top. This I did already have a look at. I think it's really sweet. Beaded bag. Really cute. This one is definitely going to go into my Etsy shop. Maybe I'll make like 2 piles, a yes and a no. Little witchy type boots. Fun. These look really small, like size 5, 6 maybe. I don't think the condition is quite good enough to go into the store, so this might be a donate. I'll have to take a better look at them. Pretty kimono. Ooh, I really like this. Asian style kimono. I think it's just like like you drape it over top of the dress that you're wearing. Maybe it does have buttons. That one I might try on. Put that in the keeper pile. Okay, these are some strong 80s colors. This looks like a silky taffeta, long skirt, and of course, this is why I knew the bin was full of 80s, because I did have a peek and there is bling everywhere. So, and shoulder pads. Fun. This will go into my 80s shop. Maybe someone will want it for a Christmas party or for an 80s party. We've got velvet, pretty velvet skirt. Lots of stuff that looks good for holiday season and dressed up. Okay, these are gonna be donate. A tiny pair of red baby shoes. They're leather, cute. Probably in the donate pile though. I don't sell children's clothing. This I love. Already I can tell this is so much fun. Huge collar made by Lori Ann. It's gonna be big, but I'm gonna try this one on because I can tell it's gonna be fun. Is anyone else seeing clowncore on Instagram and online? I'm seeing it a lot now. I'm not gonna do it myself, but I do appreciate it, and the girls who are bold enough to do it themselves. So that one is super fun. Ooh, this is super fun as well. It is an Algo boutique. I always love the brand Algo, and I often pick it up when I'm out thrifting. A pretty velvet top and a kind of taffeta plaid pink and black skirt. I might give this a try on as well. Okay. This is not 80s. This is definitely 60s, and it's a long wiggle dress in a really pretty brocade fabric. This is beautiful, and it's a bit smaller. That one might actually fit me. Let's see here, a bit of workwear. This is cute, cute for fall, and has a matching top, blazer, kind of like Chanel vibes with the little buttons. Classy. Okay, we're into the suit sets. This one is tiny. I think this woman saved her wardrobe from her entire life because there's a lot of different sizes in here. But another cute purple suit set, skirt suit. She was probably a professional of some sort. Oh yeah, that's adorable. If you can see the little buttons, really pretty. And what is, oh, this is really sweet. Looks like a handmade collar. Adorable, cottagecore, grannycore sort of vibes. I don't know if this is 80s, maybe. And it even has a little glass benum here to hold it, and you could style it like longer or shorter. Cute, like a scarf clip, I guess. Let's see here. Ooh, I'm loving the color scheme of this. It's a blazer. I thought it was Asian, but it's made in the USA. Really pretty fall tones. This is back to having an 80s feeling with a gold button, just a simple blazer. I think that should do really well on Etsy. Right now it's in fall tones and it's the right season. Ooh, I love this. Look at the skirt. Really pretty fabric. Super long. I don't think I would call this 80s either. Guys, this is no longer an 80s haul. This is a 60s, 70s, and 80s haul. Really fun skirt. This one might be too small for me, but I'll give it a go as well. My try-on pile is getting decent in this bucket. Now we're back to the 80s. I feel the shoulder pads. Oh, this is sweet. Really pretty dress for someone who's going to a formal winter event and needs a long sleeve full of beads. Gorgeous. And something else beaded. We have two more things. That is really pretty. It goes this way. Fully beaded, super heavy, and it's sheer with, I don't know if you can see, but it's butterflies. Kind of like an overlay on maybe a tank top or a really plain dress. And the last item is definitely 70s. Romantic cottagecore type of dress in a pretty floral prints. I'm gonna go through these and pick a few things to try on because there are a lot of different sizes in here. I didn't think there were, but there were, and let's do a try on haul. I really like this dress. I tried it on with the petticoat. It's a little bit big. I'd say it's gonna fit like a size 10 perfectly, but it's so cute. So I'm gonna shoot it and pop it on Etsy. I adore this one. How cute, Asian theme. It's got a really high slit. I thought it was a dress, but it's definitely made to go over leggings or something like that. And I think it's a winner. This one is going to be probably my favorite. It will fit any size and pop over, excuse Maggie, pop over anything. This one is a winner, really pretty. This one is super pretty. I don't know where it's from, but it's probably picked up on someone's travels somewhere. Gorgeous embroidery. This one is a 60s wiggle dress, and it really fits true to its name because you kind of have to wiggle when you walk. But I think this would be so much fun for someone to wear to a wedding this fall and winter. So it's definitely going in my Etsy store. This one was so sweet. It buttons slightly off to the side and has a bow at the neckline. Let me know in the comments, do you wear vintage? And if you do, what is your preferred era? I think I'm starting to become a 70s girl. I used to be 80s, but I'm leaning towards the 70s now. I wish this one fit me better. It is so beautiful with all the draping, worn to a wedding. This one is definitely my favorite. Let's end this video with an absolute 80s party. This one is so much fun. Thank you for joining me today and going through this collection. Hopefully I'll be popping it all on Etsy soon, and we'll see you next week with a brand new video. Bye!